Good day everyone. We will discuss about multiculturalism in the Philippines. So multiculturalism in the Philippines is deeply rooted in its history and society. The Philippines is known for its diverse cultural heritage, which is a result of centuries of interaction with various indigenous people, neighboring countries, and colonial powers. So an example of multicultural society is Canada, where a large range of different ethnicities including Chinese, Indian, and indigenous people live. Just to name a few, it is a global place where different groups coexist together.
Subsector Outcome 1 are diverse cultures valued. Only with strengthening awareness of the different cultures in the country can Filipinos have the capability to integrate their cultural heritage into their lives and contribute to national development. Number 1 recognition, ang pag-acknowledge at pag-unawa sa kahalagan ng iba't ibang kultur sa Pilipinas. Ito ay nagsisilbing unang hakbang sa pagrespeto at pagpapahalaga sa ating pagkakaiba-iba. Number 2, protection. Ang pagkatanggol pangangalaga sa ating mga kulturang pamana laban sa anumang banta ng pagkasira o pagkawala. Number 3, safeguarding. Ang pagtiyak ng mga kultura at pamana ay patuloy na ipapasa sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Number 4, ito ang aktibong pagpapalaganap at papakita ng ating mga kultura upang higit pang maipakilala at mapahalagan ng iba. Ito ay maaaring isagawa sa pamamagitan ng mga festivals, exhibits, media at upang mga plataforma na nagtatampok ng ating mayamang kultura. Our diverse cultures valued. Develop, produce, disseminate, and liberalize access to information on Filipino culture. Institutionalize and intensify heritage conservation plans and programs. Establish knowledge development centers and institutes for living traditions for building capacities of Filipinos. Expands inclusive cultural structures as civic spaces for dialogue and cultural exchange. Subsector Outcome 2 Values for the Common Good Inculcated. Common good, tumutukoy sa mga aksyon at prinsipyo na naglalayong pabuti ang kalagayan ng bawat isa sa lipunan. Ito ay nangangailangan ng pagkakaisa at pagkakapit-bisig upang matamo ang isang maunlad, makatarungan at masayang komunidad. Positive and transformative change. Embracing changes that bring about a beneficial impact on society. Kasama dito ang mga initiatives na nagpapabuti ng kalidad ng buhay, nagtataguyod ng katarungan at nagpapalakas ng pag-asa sa hinaharap. Vital society is community where people have deep confidence and trust in one another and institutions. Ito ay bunga ng pagkakaroon ng transparency, integridad at makatarungang pamamahala na nagdudulot ng mas matatag at maayos na lipunan. Values for the common good inculcated. Determine a set of core values that foster the common good. Utilize various channels of values inculcations to reach all community members. Increase government efforts for promotion of values that foster the common good. Mainstream cultural education in the basic, technical, vocational, and higher education system.
The image shows a plan to improve culture-sensitive governance and development by implementing reform for better cultural development, creating cultural assets across the country, building cultural complex for education, entertainment, and tourism, protecting the rights of vulnerable groups like indigenous people, women, and children, to access cultural resources and live without fear and discrimination. The pictures illustrate different cultural activities and community life, highlighting the importance of cultural heritage and inclusion.
Article 14, Section 14 of 1987 Philippine Constitution. Section 14, the state shall foster preservation, enrichment, and dynamic evolution of a Filipino national culture based on the principle of unity in diversity, climate, or free artistic and intellectual expression. Para sa preservation or pangangalaga, ito ay tumutukoy sa pagpapanatili, maprotektahan ang kulturang Pilipino mula sa pagkawala o pagkalimutan. Para sa enrichment naman or ang pagpapayaman, ito ay nangangahulugang pagyamanin o ibayuhin ang kulturang Pilipino upang ito ay lalong maging makulay at masagana sa pamamagitan ng pagdaragdag ng bagong idea, sining at kaalaman. Para naman sa dynamic, masiglang pag-unlad, nangangahulugan ang pambansang kulturang Pilipino ay hindi lamang pinapanitili at pinapayaman kundi patuloy na pagbabago at umuunlad sa isang aktibong at buhay na paraan. Ibig sabihin, ang kultura ay sumasabay sa pagbabago ng panahon at ang mga bagong impluensya habang pinapanatili pagkakakilanlan at ang mga katangian nito. Sa Ingles, in simple terms, it means the government should support and help keep Filipino culture alive and growing. It should promote unity while respecting diversity and ensure that the people can freely express their creativity ideas.
RA 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Right Act of 1997. It's an act to recognize, protect, and promote the right of indigenous cultural communities or indigenous peoples. It creating a national commission on indigenous peoples, establishing, implementing mechanism, approaching funds, therefore, and for other purposes. Ang batas na ito ay para kilalanin, protektahan at isulong ang mga karapatan ng indigenous cultural communities or indigenous peoples para magkaroon ng National Commission on Indigenous Peoples na magtatalag ng mga mekanismo, maglalaan ng pondo para dito.